the skies are changing. For decades, air power has been defined by the prowess of the manned fighter jet and the elite pilots who fly them. But a new era is dawning, one where human and machine work together, not just as partners, but as a single, devastatingly effective team. At the forefront of this revolution is China and their latest innovation, the FH-97 stealth drone. This is the FH-97, a prototype unmanned combat aerial vehicle, or UCAV, developed by China's Aerospace Times Fei Hong Technology Corporation. But don't let its sleek form fool you. This isn't just another drone. It's a revolutionary leap in military aviation. It's what many are calling a loyal wingman. So, what exactly is a loyal wingman? Think of it as the ultimate wingman, an intelligent robot designed to fly alongside a manned fighter jet like China's advanced J-20. The concept is simple yet brilliant. The human pilot remains in command, while the FH-97 acts as a force multiplier, significantly enhancing the manned aircraft's combat capabilities. In a high-stakes conflict, the human pilot is the most valuable asset, and the highest priority is to keep them safe. The FH-97 is designed to take on the most dangerous, high-risk tasks. It can be sent ahead to perform reconnaissance in hostile airspace, scout for threats, and even suppress enemy air defenses. It can also act as an expendable shield, absorbing damage or drawing fire to protect the manned fighter. This new generation of UCAV promises to redefine air combat. By integrating drones like the FH-97, a single pilot can effectively control a swarm of combat aircraft, overwhelming an adversary with a flood of sensors and weapons. It's a fundamental shift in strategy, from a single pilot platform to a unified intelligent system where the whole is far greater than the sum of its parts. This is China's vision for the future of air power, and the FH-97 is the key that unlocks it. What makes the FH-97 a true loyal wingman isn't just its stealthy frame, but the advanced artificial intelligence that powers it. This isn't a simple remote-controlled aircraft. It's a semi-autonomous system with the ability to think, adapt, and make critical decisions on its own. The FH-97 is built on a foundation of autonomous and semi-autonomous operation. Its AI can take on a wide range of tasks, from navigation and formation flying to targeting and threat assessment, with minimal human intervention. This frees the human pilot to focus on the overall strategic picture, acting as a mission commander rather than a drone operator. The FH-97's AI allows it to fly in perfect synchronization with the J-20, maintaining the precise speed and altitude needed to ensure the entire formation remains hidden from enemy radar. This brings us to the core of the loyal wingman concept, human-machine teaming. The FH-97 is designed to be an intelligent assistant for the pilot. It constantly gathers data from its advanced sensors, acting as a mobile node in a larger combat network. This information is filtered, processed, and presented to the pilot, providing them with an unparalleled level of situational awareness. Imagine a pilot facing a complex, high-threat environment. Instead of manually coordinating every move, they can simply give a high-level command, such as suppress enemy air defenses or scout ahead, and the FH-97's AI will execute a coordinated, pre-programmed plan. It can even make real-time adjustments based on new intelligence, allowing the pilot to extend their reach and influence far beyond what a single aircraft could achieve. This isn't about replacing the pilot. It's about amplifying their capabilities to a degree never before possible, fundamentally reshaping what a single fighter formation can do. The FH-97's true combat edge lies in its design, a physical manifestation of stealth. Every curve, every angle, and every feature is meticulously engineered to minimize its radar cross-section. This is a machine built to disappear. At its core, the FH-97 features a low observable design that allows it to operate effectively in highly contested airspace. Its V-shaped tail and cranked kite-type wings are reminiscent of other advanced stealth aircraft, designed to deflect radar signals away from their source. The careful placement of the engine intake on top of the fuselage helps to obscure the engine's fan blades, a notorious source of radar reflection. These features ensure that the FH-97 can fly in close formation with a J-20 stealth fighter without compromising the entire formation's low observable signature. But stealth isn't just about avoiding detection, it's about delivering a strike without being seen. The FH-97 is equipped with an internal weapons bay, a critical feature for any true stealth aircraft. This bay can carry a variety of advanced payloads, including air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. By keeping its weapons and sensors tucked away inside its fuselage, the drone maintains its clean, radar-evading shape. This brings us to one of the FH-97's most significant capabilities. It can serve as a mothership for a swarm of smaller expendable drones. The FH-97 can deploy the FH-901 loitering munition, which can then seek out and destroy targets on its own. This allows a single FH-97 to engage multiple threats simultaneously, creating a complex and overwhelming challenge for any enemy air defense system. It's a combat scenario straight out of a science fiction movie, where a single stealth drone can unleash a torrent of intelligent, coordinated attacks, turning one platform into an entire strike package. The FH-97 is more than just an advanced drone. It is a strategic game changer. Its introduction signals a fundamental shift in China's air combat doctrine, one that promises to reshape the balance of power in the skies. At its core, the FH-97's strategic value lies in force multiplication. Traditionally, a single manned fighter can only be in one place at a time. The loyal wingman concept shatters that limitation. With the FH-97, a single pilot can now command a small fleet of intelligent platforms, each acting as both a sensor and an ammunition depot. The drones can push ahead to scout for threats, carry extra munitions, and even draw enemy fire, allowing the manned fighter to conserve its resources and maintain a safe standoff distance. This means a smaller force can achieve the same level of lethality as a much larger one, making China's air force more efficient and effective than ever before. The FH-97's development also represents a monumental technological advancement for China. It demonstrates that the country has not only mastered stealth technology, but is also a leading competitor in the global race for autonomous combat aircraft. While other nations are still in the early stages of developing loyal wingmen, China has already showcased a prototype that appears ready to enter service. This puts China in a powerful position to export this technology and set the standard for the next generation of air warfare. Ultimately, the FH-97 foreshadows a new future of air warfare, one built on the principles of human-machine teaming. The drone's ability to act as a stealthy scout, a missile truck, and a protective shield fundamentally changes the rules of engagement. By integrating these loyal wingmen, the risks to human pilots are drastically reduced, allowing them to focus on the high-level strategy while the drones handle the most dangerous missions. This shift will not only make air forces more agile and adaptable, but also more cost-effective, as drones are far cheaper to build, operate, and replace than a manned fighter. The FH-97 is not just a new piece of hardware, it's a blueprint for the future of air power, and it solidifies China's place as a leader in this new era of combat. The skies are changing, and the FH-97 is the machine leading the way.